8 James Webb Space Telescope images of our cosmos in all its glory. In a little over a year since sending back its first ever images, the James Webb Space Telescope has gazed deeper into the cosmos than any other instrument in the history of humankind. From the farthest galaxies to the secrets lurking within our own solar system, its stunning observations continue to expand our understanding of the universe. Now you can see cosmic cliffs. This landscape of mountains and valleys, speckled with glittering stars, is actually the edge of a nearby young star-forming region called NGC 3324 in the Carina Nebula. Captured in infrared light by NASA's James-webb-space-telescope, this image revealed for the first time previously invisible areas of star birth. Now you can see JWST discovers carbon dioxide on Europa. On the icy crust of Jupiter's moon Europa, Webb has discovered carbon dioxide that likely originated in the liquid water ocean below. The carbon dioxide was found to be most abundant in an area called Terra Regio, where there is evidence of material exchanging between Europa's internal ocean and its crust. Now this is the beautiful pillars of creation. The pillars of creation are set off in a kaleidoscope of colors in the James Webb Space Telescope's near infrared light view. The pillars look like arches and spirals rising out of a desert landscape, but are filled with semi-transparent gas and dust, and ever-changing. This is a region where young stars are forming, or have barely burst from their dusty cocoons, or they continue to form according to NASA. Now this is Saturn. The JWST took its first near-infrared look at Saturn on June 25. The planet appears extremely dark at this wavelength, as methane gas in its atmosphere absorbs sunlight, but its rings stay bright. Now this is beautiful Southern Ring Nebula, the bright star at the center of NGC 3132. While prominent when viewed by the James Webb Telescope in near-infrared light, plays a supporting role in sculpting the surrounding nebula. A second star, barely visible at lower left along one of the bright star's diffraction spikes, is a nebula source. It has ejected at least 8 layers of gas and dust over thousands of years. Now this is Whirlpool Galaxy. The graceful winding arms of the grand design spiral galaxy M51 stretch across its image from the James Webb Space Telescope. Unlike the mimicry of weird and wonderful spiral galaxies with ragged or disrupted spiral arms, grand design spiral galaxies boast prominent, well-developed spiral arms like the one showcased in this image. This galactic portrait is a composite of Webb's near-infrared camera, means NIR cam, and the mid-infrared instrument MIRI. This is Jupiter and its auroras. In the stand-alone view of Jupiter, created from a composite of several images from the James Webb Space Telescope, aurora extend to high altitude above both the northern and southern poles of Jupiter. The auroras shine in a filter and is mapped to redder colors. A different filter mapped to yellow and greens shows hazes swirling around the north and southern poles. A third filter mapped to blues showcase light as is reflected from a deeper main cloud. Now this is a raft of star formation. This image is dominated by NGC 7469, a luminous face-on spiral galaxy approximately 90,000 light years in diameter that lies roughly 220 million light years from Earth in the constellation Pegasus. Its companion galaxy IC 5283 is partially visible in the lower left portion of this image.